Banana.
How can something so delicious be good for you? In fact, a banana is health benefits are so impressive, we are sure they will be your go-to food. Americans eat more bananas each year than any other fresh fruit, according to the US Census Bureau. But besides being convenient, bananas are healthy for you. 1. Superfood. Forget apples, a banana a day keeps the doctor away. Banana health benefits far outweigh those of the apple. That is because they have many more vitamins and nutrients than their round counterparts. Bananas have twice as many carbohydrates, 5 times as much as vitamin A and iron, and 3 times as much as phosphorus as apples. That is why banana called as superfood. 2. Energy booster. Bananas are a better source of energy than expensive sports drinks. Two bananas provide enough calories for an 1.5 hour workout or walk. Bananas also are an ideal pick me up. When you feel tired and sluggish in the afternoon, do not go for coffee or a sugary snack. Grab a banana instead. 3. Better heart health. Bananas are rich in potassium. Bananas helps the body's circulatory system deliver oxygen to the brain. This also helps the body maintain a regular heartbeat, lower blood pressure, and a proper balance of water in the body according to the National Institutes of Health. 4. Natural laxative. Eat bananas and you might say goodbye to constipation. Well ripened bananas have a type of fiber that helps to restore and maintain regular bowel functions. They are a natural source for improving the movement of waste through bowels, according to 2014 Chinese study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food. 5. Put a smile on your face. Bananas have a small amount of tryptophan, an amino acid that when combined with bananas natural vitamin B6 helps boost the production of serotonin, a feel-good hormone. This mood regulating substance may help your mind and body relax so you feel happier, and it may just be the bright yellow color and the smile shape of banana that does the trick. 6. Banish PMS pain. Bananas have a plenty of vitamin B6. Some studies suggest that B6 may reduce symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Bananas might be the answer to calming down those menstrual cramps. Packed with potassium, they can help prevent muscle pains and fight that bloated feeling. 7. Fight morning sickness. Because of the calming properties associated with vitamin B6, bananas are often eaten by pregnant women to combat early pregnancy morning sickness. 8. Remedy for hangover. The natural ingredients in bananas and their ability to replenish the body's vitamins make them an ideal way to reduce the effects of a hangover. Put a couple of bananas in the blender with some plain yogurt and add some honey to sweeten the taste. The fruits tend to calm the stomach and the honey helps to restore the blood sugar levels to normal. 9. Make your skin better. Bananas are rich in antioxidants which help to fight free radicals in the body. Applying antioxidants to your skin may help protect from free radical damage. 10. Soothe ulcers. Bananas helps to increase mucus in the digestive tract, which can help heal or even prevent stomach ulcers. They help reduce the irritation of the digestive system by leaving a protective coating around the inner walls, making it a natural way to promote intestinal health as well.